Hi, I'm Melissa, and I am a special education advocate. It's one of the many hats that I wear, and I wear it proudly. I have two children with disabilities, and I have advocated for them and for others when I could for the past 18 years. If it's been done and it's part of the dispute resolution options that we have, I've done it. I've worked with my state. I've worked with the Office of Civil Rights, and I've worked with the U.S. Department of Education to force change where change has been needed. I have such a love for special education kids and for their families. And I understand that it's a stressful situation. Being a mom of two myself, I remember the days where I wondered how we would pay the medical bills and why is the school system failing my child again? And why is it so hard to get services? I've been there. My youngest just graduated from high school, and although I believe that that happened prematurely, and that's a subject for another day, it was a proud moment in our family because it ended a long, long journey of advocating under IDEA. So I am now taking the energy that I have used for my own kids and the knowledge that I've gained, and I am trying to help other families where I can. And so I've started Special Ed Law Mom. I've got videos there that can help you, but I also can help you with general advocacy. IDEA is the special education law that is a federal law. And so I can help you no matter where you live in the United States, thanks to things like Zoom and computers and all sorts of things. So I would love to help you. I try to keep my fees as low as possible. And I just want to be able to help as many kids as I can get the free and appropriate public education that they need and that so often is so hard to obtain. So please contact me. I would love to talk to you further, and hopefully we'll talk soon. Thanks. Bye.